How to lock the trackpad on your laptop. So you may want to do this if you've already got an external mouse connected to your laptop. Maybe you want to go in, disable the trackpad. Now I'll show you two different methods on how to do this. So the first method is you can open up the start menu on your computer and then just click on settings. From the left hand side, select system. From the left hand side, click on Bluetooth and devices. And then you'll need to scroll down to the touchpad and click on this. You can then see the touchpad and you can go and turn off and disable this. Now once it's disabled, you can see your touchpad is stopped working. So that's the first method on how to disable the touchpad. Now the second method is you can actually use your keyboard to do this as well. So typically on your keyboard, you should have a shortcut key that enables and disables the touchpad. So on my keyboard, it's just the F11 key. But on your laptop, it could be F6, F7, F8, and so forth. You just need to try all of these different function keys. Now, if that's not working, you can also try holding down the FN key on your keyboard and then try all the F keys once again. So hold down the FN key and you can try F5, F6, F7, and so forth. So that's how to disable your trackpad in Windows 11.